Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Emily and in today's video I will be creating a shaped card using this adorable die called Roller Skate Mini Album from Scrap Diva Design. And you guys, this is so adorable. And if you haven't checked out Scrap Diva Design's like Instagram and YouTube channel, you definitely need to go and do that after you watch this video, because the design team has created some amazing projects, and yeah, you will be totally inspired to create when you see what they created. I had a blast, but I created something that was quite like easy to create, so start by watching my video and then you can be totally inspired by the design team. I cut all of the pieces out of some pattern paper that I had in my stash. This is an older collection. I don't know actually which brand. If you really need to know which brand it is, let me know in the comments and I can try to figure it out. Otherwise, just use whatever you have in your stash that is bright and fun, because I just looked through my collection. What do I want to use? I wanted rainbows, I wanted pink, I wanted some stars, because I think that is just roller skaters. So yeah, I had a blast, and you can see I used all of these small dots. They come thankfully connected to one piece. You can cut them out all at once, and these are sort of the holes for the twine, or the thing that you are tying your roller skater together with. So I used some pink for that coordinated with the pink pattern paper that I used for the bottom of my roller skater. And by the way, you could see me cut a piece off. I used there is a lot of pieces to this die set. I used the one with the stitching and I cut it out twice, once with the stitching and once with like the lines, the like embossed lines. That is a separate piece, so I used that one just to see where everything were going, and then I cut along that, and you can see how cute this is. And I will create a card base. You can see it here. I actually messed up and cut away a bit of the toe of this roller skater, but I will cover it up. But don't do that. Create a whole panel if you're gonna create this. I will fix this later on off camera by putting a piece of cardstock to the inside of my card and to the back of my card as well, just to tie it all together. But you can see how cute this is when I back this, and I use some cream colored cardstock for that one. And then we have our pattern paper. We're gonna start to build this up. I have my rainbow piece here with the stitching. You can see how cute that is. You could use some foam if you like to raise everything up. I didn't. This is a card I want to be able to mail it, so I tried to keep it as flat as I could. But if you want it on your like desk or something, definitely go for that dimension. And as I mentioned, go check out that design team because they are so amazing. Sorry about that. And then I will be putting my rolling elements down, and I wanted some stars in the middle. I don't know why, I just thought it was cute, and I wanted a gold stopper here. Yeah, that is just so cute, you guys, look at it. And I had to raise it up, of course. I did the same with the stars. I raised it up, and you can see the card is opening and closing nicely. And then I will put some adhesive foam strips to my sort of part that will have my shoelaces. Very cute, I just love it. And then I put a bow at the top, and you can see those lemon slices. The bow comes from the popsicle shaker, and I also put another piece of star. These comes in this roller skating set. And I have some flowers there. They will not end up being on my project in the end, but I was trying to figure out a way to make them work, but I didn't. And I wanted a sentiment, so I thought travel would be a nice one for this. And yeah, the lemon slices would be a good grounding place for my sentiment. And by the way, the lemons come from the lemon shaker set that also was released. And I found this cute little unicorn that were roller skating in my stash. So she or he got to join me for this project. And yeah, I think it turned out super sweet. And I also used some more of those stars that I cut out of some holographic cardstock to embellish my project a little bit more. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video and got inspired to create something with the roller skate mini album. And yeah, I will have links down below to all of the products that I used in this video. And thank you so very much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and got inspired. And as I said, go check out the design team. They made a fantastic job with this die set. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!